How does the contraceptive patch work? Let's have a look. It's a hormonal method that releases progestin and estrogen through the skin. It works similarly to the pill by stopping your body from releasing eggs and thickening the mucus at the cervix. So, how to use it? The contraceptive patch sticks to the skin and is applied once a week, for 3 weeks in a row, and then left off for the 4th week. Talk to your doctor to discuss pros, cons, and potential side effects of this prescription drug. Some pros are: it is highly effective. It's easy to put on and to remove. And it doesn't require daily attention. Some cons are: it's visible and may come loose or fall off. It requires keeping track of the number of weeks used. It doesn't protect you against sexually transmitted infections like HIV/AIDS. Find further information about the contraceptive patch on our website. And take our Which Contraception is Right for Me quiz to find the method that suits you best.